Today we're unpacking Muehle-Glashutte's latest mission timer release, the SAR Lumen. The striking new Lumen is a welcomed addition to the iconic SAR Rescue Timer collection and was launched by Muehle-Glashuette in 2002 as a special commission for the German maritime search and rescue teams operating in and around the North Sea. As such, the core brief for the watch was durability, legibility and reliability, all of which are well and truly embodied in the end result. The most notable change on the Lumen from the original SAR mission timer is the dial. While the original model achieves contrast via a dark dial and luminous markers, the new Lumen, as the name suggests, inverts the contrast by setting dark markers and hands against a fully luminous dial. The effect of this combination translates brilliantly for day or night wear, affording excellent clarity in all environments. Muhle has successfully used its experience in the field to ensure the superluminova-coated dial delivers legibility without compromising aesthetics or functionality. Additional features such as oversized triangles at the cardinal compass points and skeletonized baton hands and solid indices aid orientation and facilitate rapid timekeeping when minutes matter. There is a small date at 4 o'clock which is thoughtfully enhanced via a magnifier built internally into the sapphire. The sapphire itself is 4 mm thick and ground from a single piece. The benefit of the thick crystal and sturdy case give the Lumen pressure resistance up to 100 bar or 1000 meters water resistance. Many of the useful design features from the original SAR have been retained in the Lumen. The solid 42 mm matte steel case with rubber bezel gives the watch protection against accidental knocks, and the intentional placement of the crown at 4 o'clock optimizes wrist movement and shields the crown from potential side-on impact. Rounded case edges keep the case safe from snagging or catching on clothing and safety attire, and also give the watch its unique appeal. With regard to inner workings, the Lumen is built around a reliable SW201 automatic movement that has been improved with several of Muehle's in-house enhancements, such as their efficiency-balanced rotor and shockproof woodpecker neck regulation, which delivers added precision and smoother power delivery. The entire movement has been tested according to Muehle's strict in-house standards for maritime instruments and timepieces, which in turn comply with the German chronometer standards to run between 0 and +8 seconds per day. In terms of band options, the SAR Lumen can be fitted to either the SAR rubber strap with diver's deployment clasp or a specially designed metal bracelet with rubber inlay that echoes the bezel case aesthetic. An additional option will be released for this model that is a dedicated textile strap to add a rather unique aspect, as well as delivering another well-conceived water-resistant band alternative. Muehle's SAR is a great dive watch and a dependable mission timer. It's been designed for purpose and has stood the test of time. The SAR Lumen is a welcome extension to this collection and delivers above and beyond in terms of wearability, legibility and performance. As such, Muehle's SAR Lumen is a watch that delivers on many fronts and can be worn each day under any circumstance with confidence and pride. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this brief look at Muehle-Glashutte's latest mission timer, the SAR Lumen.